Hi, my name is Saika, and today I decided to perhaps share my story. Um, at first, I was diagnosed with anxiety, social anxiety, and depression, um, clinical depression at first. Sa first doctor ko, and then di siya nag-work out. Then had another had another doctor, and same diagnosis, but then hindi rin nag-work out. So probably because financially mahal ang consultation and also dito sa lugar namin where we transfer dito sa yung parang siya, it's I wish I could show it to you here. It's na siya, parang countryside. It's a town here, so pero malayo pa siya sa sa pinaka center. So we decided to move here, um, para yun, um merong it's peaceful, walang masyadong um noise, because I'm also being triggered with the noise and nai-irritate ako. So yeah. Sa third doctor ko dito na doon niya nakita that I have PTSD, which is post traumatic stress syndrome, and major depressive disorder, and then yeah, social anxiety. So it was a struggle because on and off siya. I would feel better for a short period of time, and then magkakaroon ng parang magsuspike up yung depression ko, and once nag relapse yung depression ko, it's very intensive. That led me to take my life several times, that I attempted to take my life. And the last one that I had an attempt to take my life was nag-overdose ako ng gamot, and um, it's a it's a miracle that God forbid hindi niya hinayaan na kahit isang pill ay malunok ko, which that certain medicine is pinalitan na nga yun ng doktor. Meron lang parang may naiwan na medication for me, um, and that medication was lamotrigine. I had the rashes with that certain medication, so the doctor um, changed that into another medication. Lamotrigine or Lamitor was is a mood stabilizer para sa akin, and I've been taking that for I think for almost a year, and that na-increase lang yung dose, saka lang lumabas yung madaming rashes. So the doctor changed that into another medication, kasi nga iniiwasan na magkaroon ako ng Steven Johnson's na complication. So anyway, so yun. So um yun nga um hi- hindi ni isang gamot, di ako di ako naka lunok. So that was a miracle. And when those medications were inside my mouth, I was really praying to God, asking for forgiveness. And nagmamakaawa ako sa kanya na di ko na kaya. I was in a terrible misery. So yeah. Um but then God was really great. So I was able to surpass it. And yun nga, later on, the doctor diagnosed me with another or new diagnosis, which is bipolar 2. So with bipolar pala, I will try to give you a hint with that, or to explain further with bipolar. Siguro sa mga new videos ko na lang siguro, no, if pagkakaroon ako ng strength to discuss it, and to also to share what are my symptoms, bakit ako nagkaroon ng, or what are my symptoms, yes, bakit, or paano nalaman na may bipolar ako, or ako mismo sa self ko na paano ko rin mismo na ano sa self ko na okay, this is a bipolar, because I also did my research. So yun. And may medications actually, andyan na siya sa line of bipolar, but the dose was increased. May isa akong medication that the dose was increased, and that's where I had a good sleep. Medyo kalmado na ako, wala na yung pasulpot-sulpot ko na mga depressive episodes, which is really good. May mga anxiety attacks, pero manageable siya. So, ngayon, it's almost a month that I really feel good, great, and better. That I could say I'm certainly getting better. And sana magtuloy-tuloy. I had my follow-up consultation yesterday with my doctor, and she was very happy with my recovery, or the the progress, no, I must say, yung sa progress ko, kasi mga previous balik ko sa kanya, kahit siya mismo napapakamot ng ano, what went wrong, you're religiously taking your medications, um andun na tayo sa sukdulan ng antidepressive mo, yung dose hindi na natin pwedeng taasan, pero bakit parang bumabalik pa rin siya, what are your stressors, parang ganun. So yun pala, I have my bipolar 2, kaya pala siya bumabalik. So yun, I siguro before mag-end itong ano na, kasi 10 minutes lang to, sa mga katulad ko na mayroong mga mental illnesses, or we were having this mental problems na hinaharap natin, siguro we just have to keep our faith. Lahat ng mga lahat ng ito, these two shall pass, and the Lord will not come down to heal us, but rather he will send someone as an instrument to heal and guide us. So those doctors that are you having your consultation, or saan kayo nagpapacheck up, pray for them na mag-guide sila for the right medications, for the right dosage, and for the right diagnosis. So yun lang, and I hope that this will also give new hope sa mga hopeless na kagaya ko, which previously, and praying for you all. Thank you.